Right. Back at the old stone farmhouse today, next door. And on my first dig, I have me a muscle machines. Olds 442 W30. Look at that bad boy. That one's gonna clean up nice. Okay. See what else I can find here today. Okay, back out in front of the old stone farmhouse. I just pulled me a wheat penny. See if I can see what year it is. Looks to be, let me rub it on my pants. Can't get a date off it. Okay, found my first Wheatie for the day. Keep going. Okay, I'm on the ring again. This is like the fourth or fifth one I've pulled out of this front yard. Right, let's see what else I can find. Okay, here's my next find. I thought it was a shotgun shell, but I'm pretty sure it's not. It's too big to be a 12 gauge. It has little like reliefs cut into it. Okay, not really sure what it is. If anybody knows, comment. I'll leave pictures at the end of the video. Alright, I'm on the Hot Wheels again. Looks like I have a Hummer this time. Alright, let's see what else I can find. Alright, I'm on the quarter. 1996. Alright, keep going. Okay, just found me another cool old buckle. Look at that one. Wow. Alright, awesome. See what else I can find. Alright, next hole. I just dug me a 1967 penny. There we go. Super nice shape. Alright, see what else I can find. Okay, next hole, I found me not a clue. Probably off a toy or something. Who knows? Alright, keep going. Alright, I found me another quarter. 1997. Nice and crusty. Right, see what else I can find. Right, I have me a crusty Zinken find laying right here in the grass. Alright, see what else I can find. Okay, I think I have a quarter here somewhere. Here we go. What I find. Nope, I found me another Hot Wheels. Yeah, Mustang. Got me a Mustang convertible this time. This one only rang up 91 instead of 95, 96. Probably because it's got a plastic base. Okay, let's see what else I can find. Alright, next hole, I have me a 1967 quarter. Alright, keep going. Okay, on my next hole, I just found another Hot Wheels. This is my fourth one. This one, 69 Corvette. Alright, see what else I can find. Okay, my next hole. And we have a smashed beer cap. Labatt Blue. Woohoo. Keep going. Okay, I just found me this other little thing. I think it's possibly another little buckle. Alright, keep going. Okay, just pulled me a 1972 penny. Next door at this old stone farmhouse, there's a garbage company. This is where I've been using my Simplex to get used to it. Is around tons of garbage trucks with tons of garbage all over here in the ground. I just pulled this penny out from between all of these garbage cans. Alright, keep going. Looks like it's gonna rain. Probably don't have too much longer left. See if I can find something else real quick. Okay, just popped me out another penny. This one's 1985. Keep going. Alright, just found me another quarter. It looks to be a 1978. Alright, see what else I can find. It just pulled me another penny. Looks like it could be a crusty Zinkin. I don't see a date on it. Alright, keep going. Alright, I just found something else, I'm not sure. Let's see what we got here in the hole. It's huge, whatever it is. What is it? Wow, what is this? Some sort of chisel, some sort of woodworking chisel. It's hollow on the end. Check that out. Alright. I think that's it for the day. Thanks for watching.